Crystal at the Traveling Hattie. Today I'm at Harris Lake. I'm walking with the hiking group, the women's hiking group, and they're way ahead of me right now, but I'm stopping for videos. Nice views. The trail's very muddy, but that's to be expected because it's rained so much here in North Carolina. So I wanted to announce that I have lost 50 pounds since the last time I've done this trail a year ago. We're at Sharon Harris Lake. Don't know, it's about 30 women that showed up for this. It's very muddy, so kudos to all the women that are sticking it out. But I had it on at one time. So I found the hairy cache in the trail at Harris Lake. That's one cache found. They hide it for people to come. Found another area. Possibly could have been another homestead. I don't know. Maybe. Look at that tree. Yeah, here's some more of the concrete. Take a look at this tree. It's huge. Oh, I bet it's pretty in the summer. Amazing tree. Oh. And you can see where all the, I guess the woodpeckers have been. On and on and on. So I found a geocache. what we got in here. Some goodies in there and a logbook to sign. Awesome. Found number 3 with some goodies in it. Signing the log. So what do you think that is in the water? Over there. Maybe a buoy? Look at this tree. Amazing. It must have been the homestead. Beautiful. This is a very cool tree, and it's even cooler because there is a geocache in there. Here we go. Alright, a little bit of swag for those that want it. There we go, number 4, I think. So I found number 5. Has a little bit of stuff in it. And the logbook is dry. The trail goes behind the sign. I found this one. I'm not going to show much about it so I don't spoil it. Yeah, people are sliding here. So these are, I don't know what they are. I'm back by the old homestead. I saw that on another trail. Looks like a giant bathtub. Wondering what that is. Maybe a trough for the cows or something. They could cook their water, make it hot, and take a bath. Number 5 or 6 I found. Let's see what's inside. I get it. Get pumped is about CPR. Learning how to do CPR. Got it. I just finished the Harris Lake Peninsula Trail. I did it twice because I lost my gimbal tripod and I went around to see if I could find it. I didn't find it, but I did some geocaching on the second time, so I had more fun on the second time finding all the geocaches. There's quite a few geocaches in the area if you like to geocache. There's some good ones. They're not all tiny. There's some ammo boxes, and you'll see it in the video. I didn't tell you where they are, but I just showed you some of the, what you call it, some of the swag. Trying to remember that word. Just showing you some of the swag that was in the geocaches. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I'll see you on my next adventure. I really appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos. Thank you.